Hello Amazon sellers, here we are with the new update on Amazon. Named as creative assets, you can have these creative assets in your advertising console. For the registered brand sellers, there is an image library created to store, organize, and reuse the brand content. It can be used for the images and logos both. So let's find out how can we have the access to it. In the Amazon advertising console, you will find an option of creative assets. Click on it and see all your assets in the form of images and the logos. Here you can see in this account we're having 121 assets. Let's find out the options to upload these assets. There is an option upload assets, and then just choose the files or drag the files from your computer, and here are other three options as well. You can have them from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Then there are simple options. Here just name the file you have dragged from the computer, or you have uploaded from the Dropbox, and other options mentioned. So select the type, other type, simplify it, the tags, the keywords you want to add, so that you can simply find the specific image with the name from the gallery. And then product ASINs, you can insert those ASINs with the images. I will simplify the steps. Number 1, upload the image. Number 2, select the type. Number 3, add the tags. And then 4, now add the ASINs. Then how can you use that and where they are used? They are used in campaigns and the stores. Basically, images and tags which are previously used can be accessed through this asset library. When you are creating Amazon store, you can use this to have the images from the already store asset library. Here you can see that. And then choose for a brand content and a brand story. Here are the creative assets. Simply upload the images from the asset instead of doing it from the scratch, like uploading the image or maybe the logo and putting the keywords and stuff like that. Just simplify it. Amazon is doing simple things for the sellers. And here we are having a separate option named as moderation. You can request moderation for your asset. It can be for the stores, store spotlight, sponsored brands, and Amazon post campaigns. You can simply, through moderation, you can convert your images from one market to another. There are 2 ways. Individual, simply find the moderation by the status. You can have the drop down option and then find the asset you want to review and click request moderation on the page. And then there is bulk. Find the moderation by the status, search for the assets, simply select check boxes for the multiple assets in the drop down, select request moderation, and here you go. Just simply have a library for these images and make your life and selling simple with Amazon. Thank you for having us. See you soon with another update. Bye bye.